The Acurit Roller Ruler is a multi-purpose tool that will, well, just not mean that you need to carry a bunch of items in your bag with you, because it could do a lot of things in one. It's made of a high-impact plastic. It's a pretty resilient tool. As I say, it's resilient. It comes with spare wheels, but in all honesty, I think it's just precaution, because it actually stays together very nicely. I've been playing around with it this morning especially a lot. But let me just get to what it can do. It rolls, as you probably could have guessed from the title, but what does that really mean? The rolling part of the ruler is broken down into 1/16 inch increments. And that means that if you were to, let's say, create your own grid or lines or any kind of architecture engineering type work, any kind of precision work, hence accurate, these are the kind of tools you want to use. So what I'll do now is I'll just get it started at 0 here. I'm going to go 1 to 10. So I'm going to go 1 tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 4 ticks, 5 ticks over. And repeat that 1 to 10. And just repeat that again. And you'll be able to create an even grid if you wanted to create your own grid paper, or more artistically, if you're doing very detailed work, hatching and cross-hatching. You know, if you're doing, gestural, quick stuff, hatching and cross-hatching, that's great. Sometimes you want precision in your hatching and cross-hatching. So just coming across with those lines. And if you were so inclined to want to do it by the point or the 1/16 inch increment, you can, or as long as you want. Built in, you've got a little magnifying glass there. For those of us that need help seeing a little bit closer up, it's a great tool. Also, right angles, when you got a perfect 90 degrees right in there. Got a protractor built into it as well. It's great. And another feature is the built-in compass. You can actually do up to a 24-inch diameter circle. Of course, I'm not so inclined as to do a circle that big because I think that will mean I will be drawing on my table. But just to demonstrate for you, this is going to be a little tricky, but we'll do our best. We're just trying to demonstrate the products here. You can get an idea of how you can use it as a compass as well as a ruler. So it's many tools in one. It gives you a lot of options that a plain old ruler can't, and means carrying less with you. So the Acurit, amazing 12-inch roller ruler. That's a little product demonstration.